Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is class 10th, subject General Science. We are discussing the source of energy. Our today's topic is types of source of energy. We know that source of energy is one which can provide an adequate amount of energy in a convenient form over a long period of time. That's called source of energy. All the source of energy in nature, they can be divided into two main categories. The source of energy हम हाथ divide करा दोन main categories in मस आ गई non renewable source of energy ब्या गई renewable source of energy renewable source of energy and non renewable source of energy. Renewable क्या गए हम हाथ गए those source of energy which have accumulated in nature over a very long time and cannot be quickly replaced when exhausted. Such source of energy they are called non-renewable source of energy. हम हसा तम source of energy यम accumulate गसा नेचरस मज यमन बनस लगा वारिया टाइम यम accumulate गसा या यमन बनस लगा वारिया टाइम या यम नस रिप्लेस हका करित कहीं क्विकली यम एग्जॉस्ट गसा या वनस renewable source of energy हसा कि those source of energy which cannot be replenished replenish हको करित कहीं या यम which once exhausted they cannot be replaced quickly. Such resources they are called non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable source of energy, those source of energy which have accumulated in nature over a very long time and cannot be quickly replenished when exhausted or replaced when exhausted. Such sources are called non-renewable source of energy. For example, coal, it is a non-renewable source of energy. यह हसा non-renewable source of energy क्योंकि ये कोल बनस मज या कोल accumulate गसनस मज हसा वारिया टाइम लगा coal क्योंकि coal has because coal has accumulated in the earth over a very long time and if all the coal gets exhausted it cannot be produced. अगर कोल गस एग्जॉस्ट यह हसा हेको प्रोड्यूस करित बे एक फिर बे हेको जल्दी प्रोड्यूस करित कहीं या रिप्लेस करित कहीं यह हेको प्रोड्यूस करित कहीं तेल वो कोल यह हसा नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. Non-renewable source of energy are those source of energy which have accumulated in nature over a very long time and cannot be quickly replaced hako karit kahin when exhausted non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy are fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum natural gas. They are fossil fuels. They are non-renewable source of energy. And nuclear fuels such as uranium, they are also non-renewable source of energy. In non-renewable source of energy is dug out from the earth. Non-renewable source of energy they are dug out from the earth. The non-renewable source of energy they are also known as conventional source of energy. Conventional source of energy. The non-renewable source of energy like fossil fuels they are present in a limited amount in the earth. Byak feature of non-renewable source of energy ki present in a limited amount in the earth. The non-renewable source of energy like fossil fuels they are present in a limited amount in the earth's crust. Once exhausted they will not be available to us again. Available the nuclear fuels like nuclear elements uranium, plutonium या polonium they are also included in the category of non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy non-renewable source of energy let us recapitulate once again. Renewable source hasa gay those source of energy which have accumulated gasa in the earth over a very very long time, and that means their formation takes a long time, their formation takes a long time, and once they are exhausted, once they are consumed, they cannot be produced quickly. Quickly produce karit such renewable non renewable source of energy.